there, bike people. Welcome to this episode of Xplor TV and this first shakedown ride of the Vaast A1 Project bike that I've been working on for, oh gosh, about a year and a half, year and 3/4, who knows. Anyway, finally able to get the actual shakedown cruise with this bike in one of its 3 final configurations. So we've got our Vaast A1 magnesium frame set, and I have finally got this built with Sram Force AXS 1x12 drivetrain. And for this gravel configuration, we're running the Reynolds ATX wheelset with Challenge Gravel Grindr tires in a 650 by 46 millimeter size. We're going to try it out on some pavement, try it out in some choppy chop. One thing I'll say is, I know the wheels, low pressure tires have a lot to do with it. It's a very well-mannered bike. Smooth riding, handles nicely with this setup. So in this setup, I've got these wheels, again, the 650B wheel size, and I'm using the Challenge Gravel Grindr tire on there in a 46 millimeter width. Max pressure is 35, so to make it, I don't know, a nice ride on road and hopefully the gravel trail, I've got the back at about 33 and front is just over 30. So overall, I will say, could be just because I'm in terrible shape, but on pavement, this is not the fastest feeling setup. So the trail I'm going to try, it's a little more on the bumpy side of the gravel trail. It's actually a park that we mountain biking a lot, but it has a few trails that are kind of gravelly, kind of rocky. Again, our objective here is to see how the wheels are, how the bike handles, and also the dropper post. So we're going to put it into active mode. I'll say one cool thing about the AXS kit, it's all wireless electronic. So I activate the shifting wirelessly, but the seat post as well. So you hit both buttons, it goes down a little bit. I don't know if you can see that. So it comes back up again. And I'm on the gravel. I will say on this choppy stuff, these wheels are really good. They are stiff, but they're light enough to accelerate. Oh, get some hooks up here.
Careful, there's a log in the road down there.
Got it, thank you very much. Oh. You can see that's quite a bit of chop, even with the camera stabilization. That's gonna be a little bumpy looking. Yeah, she's a big one. It'd be funny if the bears set that up to stop people, make it easier to catch. Yes, there are bears in this park. You wouldn't believe it. That's fun. And we're back on some pavement. And then we try and take it back into the uphill. Even with the fat wheels on here, this bike climbs very nicely. I feel like my weight is in just the right spot. All right, what do you say we try a little more off-road? We're at the cyclocross practice field. That suspension action on the seat post is actually quite nice. Just enough to take the edge off. Anyway. The cool thing about a gravel bike is that if you're out exploring, like if you're on a regular road bike with a 25C tire, could you ride on this? You could. Would it be any fun? Probably not. Of some kind. That video would have been much more exciting if I wasn't in such terrible condition. So I go through there faster. That's that. That's the first ride complete on the Vaast A1 Project bike. Overall, pretty spectacular bike. Love the ride. In the configuration that it's in as a gravel bike, it worked great in the off-road sections, but I probably would say for road riding, it's a little too pokey. Does have a 42-tooth chainring on there right now with the 10-44 cassette. I think if I was going to ride this on the road, when I throw the 700C wheels on there, I may switch to the 44-tooth chainring and see if that does give me a little bit more speed. So that's going to be our next test. We're going to do this on the road, 700C wheels with a 28C tire on there, you know, smooth road tire, and see how that goes. But overall, I really love this bike so far. Will I be able to mountain bike on it? We'll see. It'll definitely work as a road bike, I think, with the change in the gearing and the wheels. So that's my conclusion on that. Thanks for coming along on the first ride on the Vaast A1 Project bike. Looking forward to trying it out as a road bike with the different gearing and wheels on it. So until then, thanks for watching Cyclecraft TV. Don't forget, keep the rubber side down.